Yeah, hello. Yeah, it's nice to see you again and welcome again. Welcome again. So in this particular section, we are going to talk about SEO, SEM, and SMO. We're going to talk about what they means, the goals the businesses aim to achieve with them, and we're briefly also going to talk about AIO, which is basically artificial intelligence optimization. So this is the ChatGPT, the Copilot, and the likes. How do you actually make your website, or what are the things that this platform would look at to make your website rank on their platform? Right, so just let's dive right into it. I would assume by now you already know what SEO means. The goal of SEO or search engine optimization is to increase organic visibility and traffic credibility of your website and of your website without paying ads, of course. The key components of SEO by now you know it is on-page SEO, which involves the optimization of content, titles, meta descriptions, and keywords. Then we have off-page SEO, which involves building backlinks and authority for your website. We also have technical SEO, which involves improving the speed of your website, the mobile friendliness and user experience all for the purpose of increasing crawlability of your website. And of course, there is content SEO, which which just involves content, creating high content, relevant content for your potential audience. Moving on, we have search engine marketing, which basically involves creating ads like on search engine. So this is the sponsored advert you see on the search engine results page. This is what search engine marketing is all about. It is all about adverts on the search engine results page. The major aim is to generate traffic or to generate targeted traffic for your website, and the key component, of course, includes ads on Google, Bing, and several other search engines out there. It involves keyword building strategies, creating ad copies and landing pages for your ads, and then obviously optimizing the performance and ranking of those ads as well. And then we have SMO, which basically means social media optimization. It is the process of optimizing the content and your profile for it to be more visible on social media and for it to reach the target audience that you aim to reach. Of course, the key components include profile optimization, consistent posting strategy, using relevant hashtags and keywords, audience management and interactions, analytics, monitoring your analytics and improvements as well. Moving on, let's talk about AIO, which basically means artificial intelligence optimization, and LLM, which basically means large language model. So these are the ChatGPTs, the Copilot, and the likes. As you can imagine, this is the trend of the day. AI is everywhere in every industry, disrupting things. But in terms of SEO as well, AI have had a great impact on the way that we do SEO better than ever before. All right, so it is important for any business these days to try to follow the trend and optimize the content of your website based on the requirements and what this artificial intelligent agents are actually looking at or looking out for. So better than ever before, or yeah, better than ever before, it is now important to create more structured and factual content on your website. You need to use relevant data on in the content of your website. Better than ever before, it is now more important to use schema markups in your in the content of your website or on your website. You need to create more of like answerability type of content. These are the type of content that involves FAQs and answering questions, anticipating the questions that your potential audience or customers would ask and answering them in advance. So more than ever before, these AI agents are more friendly with this type of content, and they are more likely to pull data from your website if you create this type of content. More than ever before, it is important that you continue to put more effort into promoting your domain authority and then the trustworthiness of your brand. Continue to create content that shows your experience, your expertise, promote your authoritativeness and trustworthiness. Um, which you would imagine is something that you would do with the traditional SEO anyway. But more than ever before, it is even more important to do that now if you want the content of your website to be picked up by artificial intelligence user agents, right? Just as you would do with SEO, it is never changed. It is important you keep your content up to date, keep it refreshed, make sure you have up to date content, and then yeah, just keep doing what you do before, but just try to do it better. If there's anything at all that I think you should take away from this video, is that perhaps maybe if you're not creating answerability type of content before, the FAQs, the knowledge base, and the likes, it is now more than important. It is important more than ever before to create this type of content just to make your website friendly to this artificial intelligence user agent. So I wish you all the best, and then I hope you're keeping up with the trend on your end. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.